Hi, today in front of me Galaxy A04s and I'll show you how to change lock screen wallpaper on this device. First, let's just open the settings application and then scroll down to the wallpaper and style section. Here click to browse my wallpapers. We'll see here the default wallpapers on our device, the photos from our device gallery previously taken on device camera or downloaded from the internet. Also, we can use the another default wallpapers or to use the dynamic lock screen wallpapers. For example, let's select one from the available just default wallpapers. Here you should unselect home screen just to select for just to set only to lock screen photo. Click to preview. Wait a second. Here on the right upper corner, tap to done. We can see that changes applied to lock screen, so let's just check it, and we can see that we just successfully changed the lock screen wallpaper. Also, we get one more way how we can do that. Just hold for a while the screen with your finger, then you'll see here on the left down corner the wallpaper and style icon. Click here, and by the same way tap browse wallpaper. So let's just select one from the downloaded photos on our device. Switch to the albums, for example. Let's use downloads and let's use this wallpaper. Tap to done. Let's use it only on the lock screen. Click to preview. Here you can change the position of the wallpaper. For example, let's use this section. Tap on the right upper corner to done, and that's it. So thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.